Hey everyone, it's G here, Gayon here in California. So today I'll be making some paleo gluten-free flatbread. And this is actually Indian, they call it, it's the Indian naan bread, which is flatbread. It's Indian flatbread. But we're making it paleo style today, where it's gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, grain-free, etc. So stay tuned. I'll be showing you guys in a second how to get it all together and get you some flatbread that is healthy for you. Okay, everyone. So here's the here are the ingredients for the paleo gluten-free flatbread. Again, this is called naan. N-A-N-N is Indian flatbread, but we're making it paleo style today, where it's gluten-free. So here are the ingredients. The ingredients is, right now I already got it started. So in the bowl here, I got a half a cup of almond flour. There's almond flour. And then the next is a half a cup of tapioca flour. So I got the tapioca flour right here. This is a half a cup of tapioca flour. And then 1 cup of coconut milk in the can, full fat canned coconut milk. And that's it. So we're gonna pour it all in the batter in the bowl here and mix it all together. And this will be the batter for the flatbread. So there is a half a cup of tapioca flour. Now we're going to pour in the 1 cup of coconut milk. And there we go, guys. And all we're going to do is mix it. I have the spoon here. You don't need a mixer or anything like that. You can just mix it with the spoon. So I'm going to get this all mixed up together. And the next step, we're going to cook it here in the griddle, just like pancake batter. You're going to cook it here in the griddle, pour some on, cook one side, flip it over, and cook the other side. And that's it. So I'll be back shortly to show you once you get the batter ready. And okay, so hi guys, so the batter is ready. So I have my little scoop here. So I'm gonna pour the first scoop on the griddle, and that's it. That's all to it. So we have it on the griddle. So we're gonna cook one side. When that side is done, take it with a spatula, flip it over, cook the other side, and that's it. So I'm gonna make the flatbread and transfer them onto this sheet here, and that's it, guys. It's very simple, quick, very healthy bread that you guys can make. So that's it. I'll be back on later in a sec to show you when all the flatbread is done and ready. So the batter I made is going to make me about 6. I'll be able to make about 6 bread out of this, 6 flatbread. Anyways, I'll be back shortly to show you the finished product. Okay, guys. So we have one is done. So here's the flatbread. I'm going to show you guys quickly. This one is done. I have another one in the griddle. So like I said, I'll be able to make about 6 of these with the batter I made. Sorry, so see. So just so you guys know, when you make these flatbread, it's not as quick as pancakes, guys. You have to give it a while. It's not gonna cook as fast as pancakes. So you have to give it a while to make sure that one side is cooked before you flip it over. So it's not gonna be as quick as pancakes. And as we're almost done here, one more thing is if you want to know where to go to buy these organic baking items, products, at the end of this video here, you're gonna see a link there. You can click on my video where I showed you guys how to shop for your organic baking items. So that link to that video will be here at the end of this video here. You guys go check it out so you can see how to shop, where to go to buy these the organic baking products. Okay guys, so here we go. I was able to make 5 flatbreads. So here we go, 5 healthy flatbreads, gluten-free, paleo style, healthy. This is awesome. So there we go, quick and easy. So if you do try it, comment, let me know how yours turned out, if you liked it, etc. Give me your feedback. That would be awesome. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more recipes like this, where I'm cooking more healthier recipes, meals. You can certainly subscribe to this channel. That'll be awesome. So see you on the other side. Have a great day.